check this out. So here we have this truck on the far left lane. Watch as he goes for 1 lane, 2 lanes as he's turning right, 3 lanes, and finally 4 lanes in order to make his exit. Gotta say, wasn't really impressed, really didn't like it. So here it is in slow-mo. Keep your eye on the far right. I'll freeze it there for just a quick second. You'll see the headlights on the truck. Still in slow-mo as it goes here to the forward view. There he is in the left lane, making his way over to the right. Has to hit the brake. To his credit, he does use turn signal. Has to brake one more time as he goes behind the sedan. And finally has to make his way over to the lane where I'm in and makes his exit over on the far right lane. All I gotta say is just be careful as you're planning your route. Make sure you can take your exit a little earlier than you need. Thank you so much.